This is section 2 of our unit 4, From Bus Conductor to Film Star. This is a real story about Rajinikanth. In this story, we will learn how he became a film star from a bus conductor. Rajinikanth is the highest grossing actor in Tamil cinema history and one of the highest paid entertainers in India. He is the only Indian actor to be featured in the Central Board of Secondary Education syllabus. And I hope you might have seen his movies. Rajinikanth is also an actor, entertainer, film producer, and screenwriter. Rajinikanth was not always a film star. Do you know what he did for a living before he was famous? Raja Bahadur, a retired bus driver, went to the movies on Friday. There was nothing extraordinary about it except that the film starred his best friend Shivaji Rao Gaikwad, better known as Rajinikanth. As always, it was the first day, first show for him. He joined the legs across the nation to watch Shivaji, superstar Rajinikanth's much publicized movie. So, children, here there is a man called Raja Bahadur. He is a retired bus driver and he is also a friend of Shivaji, a friend of Rajinikanth. On one Friday, he goes to watch a movie, and what surprised him was that it was a film of his best friend Rajinikanth. The name of the movie was Shivaji, and there were many people, lakhs of people from the nation coming to watch the movie, and from among them, Raja Bahadur was one. This enduring friendship began in the early 1970s when Bahadur drove the then Bangalore Transport Services Road number 10A between Majestic and Srinagar with Shivaji Rao on board as the conductor. It was cemented when the two would unwind by watching films and plays in their off-duty hours. Young Shivaji would also act in plays staged at the Gambhi Virana Ranga Mandira in the city. It was when Bahadur saw his friend on stage that he realized it was time to persuade the young man to be a little more ambitious. So, their friendship, the friendship of Rajinikanth and Raja Bahadur, began in the year 1970. And when they were walking together as a bus conductor and a bus driver. Bahadur was the bus driver, and then his conductor was Shivaji Rao, that is Rajinikanth. So they had a good time. Whenever they are free from their job, from their driving, during their off-duty hours, they used to go and watch the films and plays. And Shivaji also used to play on the stage. He used to take part in the stage play. And when this driver, his friend Bahadur, saw him performing on the stage, he realized that he can do better thing. He can be an actor, a good actor. And later on, we will see that he encourages him to be an actor. The response he got from the audience, particularly when he played Duryodhana and Yajhama Nayaka, the Kannada warrior, was overwhelming. It was then that I was convinced that he should act in movies, Bahadur remarked a few hours before Shivaji was released. So whenever Shivaji used to act, he used to get a positive response. When the Adyar Film Institute was set up in Chennai around the same time, Bahadur suggested to Shivaji that he should do a course in acting at the institute. The young man was obviously reluctant to give up his conductor's job and do the course since he was worried about his finances. Who will ever give up a government job? He asked. And Bahadur responded, give up the job. I'll look after all your needs. So now, when the Adyar Film Institute was set up in Chennai, Bahadur advised Shivaji to do the course in acting. But Shivaji was unwilling to give up his conductor's job. He wanted to be an actor, but since he had no money to pay for the training, he did not want to lose his government job. And then Bahadur promised him that he will look after his needs. Bahadur kept his word. For 2 years, from 1974 to 1976, he gave a significant part of his salary to Shivaji and ensured that he completed the course at the Film Institute. When the course got over, the famous director K. Balachandar signed up the young actor for his new Tamil film, and the rest in history. So for 2 years, Shivaji did his course in acting, and all his expenses were paid by his friend Bahadur. And after completing his course in acting, he was selected for a new Tamil film by the famous director K. Balachandar. My dream has come true. He has become a superstar. I am the happiest person in the world today as Shivaji is being released. Loves Bahadur. Now Bahadur is very happy. Why? Because his dream has come true through his best friend Shivaji. He says that he has become a superstar and he is the happiest person in the world today as Shivaji is being released. About his relationship with Rajinikanth, he says, he hasn't changed at all. Whenever he comes to Bangalore, he disguises himself and we go to the movies and visit all those restaurants that we frequented during our driver-conductor days. Here, the bus conductor, Bahadur, tells us about their relationship, that Shivaji has not changed at all. Whenever he comes on a holiday, whenever he comes to Bangalore, he disguises himself in order to spend time with his friend Bahadur. They used to go to the movies and visit all those restaurants that they used to visit earlier when they were a bus driver and a conductor. So that's all. If you have doubts, you can ask me in the WhatsApp group.